Welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today, just want to show you a quick how to cut out laminate flooring around a toilet and register. So I think this is the easiest method, at least this is the way that I did. Took the underlayment and cut it out and then laid that out downstairs. So here's where I'm going to make all my cuts. Then I can set my boards right on top of the underlayment. I can go ahead and measure, mark, make all those cuts, lay it out on top of this underlayment, make sure everything fits. Then I can carry all those pieces after they've been cut, carry them back upstairs, put them in the bathroom, lay them all together, stitch it all up, and it takes way less time than trying to measure each piece, carry it down, make an adjustment, take it down, make another adjustment, take it down, cut it, and then put it in. So that is how I did this bathroom. I think the end result turned out pretty decent. So that is my handyman tip for you. This is, again, just a channel of a simple guy trying to figure out how to do it on his own, trying to empower you how to do it on your own as well. You can do it, and together we can make the world a more beautiful place. Hey, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and just stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.